What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a twist out, and I am going to be using the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. I've never used this. I'm not even sure if I've ever had this in my collection. But one of you asked me to get this and wanted me to do a combo with it. I am not doing that combo today because I am in a hurry. But I did want to break this open and use it because I am coming off of a very dry wash and go. I don't know if you guys saw my review on the Sacred products. If you didn't, I'll leave it here. And I used the 3-step kit, the double cleansing kit or something like that. It had a clarifying shampoo in it, a hydrating shampoo, and a deep conditioner. The clarifying shampoo stripped my hair. The hydrating shampoo tried to soften it a little bit. It wasn't a whole lot of hydrating to it, in my opinion. And then the deep conditioner was supposed to be very moisturizing, and it did not moisturize the way that I needed it to. So when I put on my leave-in and my gel for the wash and go, the leave-in made my hair feel pretty good. But once I dried it and everything, my hair was pretty dry. So you would have seen at the end of that video my hair in a wash and go. That is the wash and go I'm talking about. And I was getting ready to start, and I said, while I was talking, I said, let me let them see the texture. So this is the texture of the butter gel, kind of creamy, kind of thick, but not too thick. It definitely spreads out. But anyway, in that video, I had the wash and go, and although it looked halfway decent on camera, it didn't look all that great in person, nor did it feel very good. So, I mean, it felt okay that day, the first day, or the next day, I should say. But, the third, and today would have been fourth day, felt very dry. So I'm just trying to put some moisture in my hair, so that's why I'm using it. I use Camille Rose to shampoo. their hydrating shampoo from the coconut water line. I pulled it out, and then I pulled out the Algae Renew deep conditioner from Camille Rose, which y'all know was my favorite forever and a day. And I talk about it, but I hadn't shown it a lot because I was out of it for a long time. And then when I picked it up, I still had other deep conditioners that I was just trying to use. I pulled that bad buddy out because I said I need some moisture. So I put that in as my deep conditioner. I didn't sit under heat, but I just let it sit in my hair in the shower while I did other things. And then for my leave-in, I used the Camille Rose Curl Love because it's very moisturizing. So that is what's in my hair. And now I'm adding the butter gel just as my styler. So basically I'm just doing a twist out, and I'm in a hurry because we are going out of town for my son's spring break, leaving today. So that's why I opted for a twist out. Something I can just get my hair twisted up. We're driving, so it can be driving and just soaking in all this moisture in the car, and I don't have to worry about getting under a hooded dryer drying my hair out anymore. So that's what's going on. So now I will preface and say those products, you know, may not have been as drying had I possibly pre-pooed before I used the clarifying shampoo. But I'm not positive because I did use it after I had creams and butters in my hair, because I was coming off of a twist out when I used it. And I used creams and butters in my hair for that twist out. So I didn't want to pre-poo because I didn't want to put even more layer on my hair because I wasn't sure how strong the clarifying would be. And I wanted to make sure my hair got clean. But I didn't want it stripped, and guys, it definitely got clean. Sorry if I feel like I'm sorry if it sounds like, I can't think. I have not had my coffee yet. Sorry if it sounds like I'm whispering. I'm not trying to, but trying to get it together. Trying not to have a middle part back here. Okay, let me add the cream to this whole section. Okay. Okay guys, so you see what I'm doing. I am just going to continue to add this Aloe Whipped Butter Gel to my hair and twist it up. And hopefully it's going to give me the moisture that I need, as well as a little bit of hold, since it is a butter gel. It has aloe vera and macadamia oil in it, so that sounds promising. Yeah, I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I got all the twist in, and this is what my hair is looking like, and that's how much product I use. So not much at all, just a little bit right in there. So it's still very much full, and I am just going to let it dry today on the ride and everything. And I might keep it in these twists my whole vacation, because we're going to a place that's kind of quiet near the beach, and so I don't have to take my hair down unless I just want to. So I might just let it just rest for a week and soak up all of this, because it didn't feel good at all. So anyway guys, if I do decide to take it down, I will film it down there so you guys can see what, you know, how these products work. If I don't take it down there, then I'll come back and show you the takedown here and tell you how my hair feels and what I think about it, so stay tuned. Hey Sun Raes, popping in to finish off the video. Sorry that I think I only showed you day 2 of my hair when we were out of town. I told you guys I was going to be going out of town and I would take my hair down here. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, I took it down. Now, looking at my hair, I'm just now being able to get on because I did go outside. It is humid. It is also getting ready to rain. It's started, you know, to sprinkle a little bit. So it did get a little bit frizzy. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. But I will say, as you can see, that aloe gel, I forget the name of it. I think it's called Aloe Cream Gel from Camille Rose that I use to twist my hair. It definitely gave my hair a lot of definition. Now again, it's a little bit frizzy because I was out in the elements. I didn't separate it at all. That's why I saw it was shaping. I didn't separate it. I just took the twist out, and I was going to leave it because I wanted to separate it later maybe. But I should have known once I got out by that beach and stuff that it was going to frizz. So it does have a little bit of frizz. With that being said, it is very soft. It is very moisturized. It was a lot more defined. When I first took it down, I just wasn't able to pull my camera out. Sorry about that. I tried to get a little bit when I was walking cotton. So maybe you'll see a little bit of that in the vlog. But I did want to show it to you before it got any worse. So this is it. I like it. I think it has a lot of moisture. Again, I am in a humid area, but it had moisture when I first took it down. So I'm letting you know that. Let's hope it lasts. I think it will, because again, I'm in a moisture area, humid area. So I can't see it drying out at all, but it definitely probably will frizz out some more. So I wanted to let you see it before it frizzed out anymore. I'm gonna come on tomorrow, let you see what it looks like day 2. But right now, My initial thoughts is I like the Aloe Cream Butter Gel, I think is what it's called. I'll put it in the description box. But anyway, I like it. So yeah, I think that it would work really well in Indy where it's not as humid. And yeah, I'm gonna have to try it again when I stay home so I can really see how it works. Second day here, going to the beach, being out in the elements, in the wind. I'll try to come back on day 3. I did day 3, I left it twisted. Day 4, I did take it out. I didn't get a chance to film it. It still looked good. It still felt good. And then day 5, I twisted it back up, and it's been twisted up ever since because day 5 and 6, I believe we were on the road back, and then I've been sick. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Today is 10 days. My hair has been in twists because I've just been sick. So that's what's wrong with my voice. I'm feeling a little bit better. So I feel like I need to go ahead and try to wash this hair while I can. So as you can see, it's very frizzy. And I'm sure it has a lot of tangles in it, so I'd want to muster up enough energy to wash it and just put it right back in twist. So that's what I'm going to do. But before I did that, I wanted to come on and at least let you guys see my hair and let you know what was going on so you didn't see my hair past day 2. So I apologize, but I'm taking out these flat twists that have just been in, and my hair still feels soft and it still feels moisturized for the most part. Feels like I know that it needs moisture, so it's on the brink of needing to be moisturized, so I need to wash it today. I'm just gonna wash it and twist it right back up so I don't have to worry about dealing with it. And if I feel better by this weekend, we have somewhere to go, my hair will be fresh because it'll be dry by then. If I don't feel better, that's okay. My hair is clean and can just stay in the twist and, you know, have some rest. So that's my thought process. But anyway, I'm taking out these twists. This is what it looks like. So this is 10-day hair. You know how it looks. Still feels pretty good. So what I will say is that I like the Aloe Whipped Gel. It worked well with the curl love leave-in. It kept my hair moisturized the way I needed it to. It definitely defined my curls the way that I needed it to, especially being out in the water and by the beach and all that. The curls held up. Yes, it was a little big, but they still held up and stayed intact, and my hair feels really good right now. It doesn't feel like overly dry or anything, having been in twist for 10 days and in the bed. I'm sorry guys. Anyway, I'm not going to belabor the point. I just wanted to let you see the hair. So I'm getting ready to wash it, and I will say that if I wasn't sick and I wanted to take these twists down and flush this hair out, I definitely could wear this twist out without having to re-moisturize it today. So this is a good product, and I do recommend it for twist. So I'm sorry, I know this isn't my regular type video, but in any case, if you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.